So who are you?
Lee.
You're Lee from where?
Norfolk.
Learn with Lee,
Yeah.
right? And you're going to read them a special story today?
Yep.
Okay, let's read them a special story. What's your story called?
Trucks that help. Trucks help people.
Well, who is your book by? Who wrote this book?
Jasmine Thomas and Lee Nathan.
That's you!
Yep. Trucks help people do things. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Some are big, some are small. Now I'm gonna get the green truck.
Some are big and some are small, right? I don't think we have that one, dear. Let's keep reading and then you can show them those, okay? Okay.
I'm Lee. Come learn with me.
Who's Lee?
Me.
You're Lee!
Yeah. Yep. Cement trucks carry cement to make roads and sidewalks.
They do.
Where's the cement truck?
Cement trucks.
Cement truck.
That's the cement truck, right?
Yep.
What does this truck do?
Fire.
That's right.
I haven't got to this one.
Well, we will. We're doing
Yeah.
that one right now, right?
Yeah.
So what does that say?
It says
You have to read the
He's
book.
going to read it for us.
fire trucks carry firemen who put out the fire.
That's right. Who put out fire? Show them the fire truck.
What does this truck do?
Puts out the fires, right?
Yep.
You guys are so smart.
Yep.
What's this one, Lee?
That one is a tow truck.
That one is a tow truck.
Yep.
Read this one. What does tow truck do?
Tow trucks pick up cars that are broken.
So if the car is broken, they pick up cars that are broken.
Yep. Yep.
What's the next one, Lee?
The next one is a mail truck.
And what do mail trucks do?
They carry packages and letters.
Mail trucks carry packages and letters.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
What does this truck do?
That's the mail truck, right?
Yep.
And it carries packages and letters.
Yeah.
All right. They
Yeah.
do give them to people. Yep.
Yep.
What does this one do, Lee? Read this one.
This one is a delivery truck. So they carry goods to stores and people. Yep. That one is this one.
Good job.
Yep.
So read this page.
Trucks help people do many things.
They do.
Yeah.
You help them do many things.
Yep.
You're pretty awesome. Thank you for reading that, Lee.
Yep.